Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see about white matter and also the reticular formation. So in the previous video we saw about the gray matter and the definition of the gray matter, that the cyton, the cell body of the neuron, they all together form the gray matter. So what forms the white matter then? The axons, they all together they form the white matter. So this white matter, it is of various types. Before that I would like to give the definition for tracks. What are tracks? Tracks are a group of fibers moving from up to down or down to up. So one type of white matter is tracks. Tracks are nothing but group of fibers moving up to down or down to up. So it could be divided into two further. One is the ascending tracks, it is moving from down to up, ascending tracks, and the other one is descending tracks, moving from up to down. Then another kind of white matter, it is the commissural fibers. Commissural fibers are nothing but the fibers connecting the adjacent part of the brain. So example for this commissural fibers is corpus callosum. You might have heard this word before, that this corpus callosum connects the right cerebral hemisphere with that of the left cerebral hemisphere. Then the next kind of white matter is the association fibers. Association fibers. These association fibers, they connect front to back. That is, they connect the frontal lobe to that of the occipital lobe. Front to back. Trust me, there is another kind of white matter within the brain, and it is called as internal capsule. So, through which a large number of motor and sensory fibers travel to and from the cortex. Coming to the next topic, that is the reticular formation. So, reticular formation is nothing but it is a network of white matter and grey matter. See, group of white matters, then it is caused of course by the grey matter. So this forms the reticular formation. In other words, in order to say that in a technical term, deeper part of the brain where the sensory and motor part of the grey matter, sensory and motor part of grey matter and white matter, then mixed together is called as the reticular formation. Once again I am repeating, sensory and motor part of grey matter and white matter mixed together, and it is called as the reticular formation. And there may arise a doubt, then what do you mean, how would you differentiate between the white matter and the nerve? So group of axons within the central nervous system, it is called as the white matter, and outside the central nervous system, outside the CNS, it is called as the nerve.